We will do the question answer. So E part answers the following. So first one is mention the excretory product expelled processed by the lungs, skin and liver. So excretory product expelled by the lungs are carbon dioxide, skin are salts and urea, and liver are dead blood cells. Second question, how are dead red blood cells broken down? So dead red blood cells are broken down in the liver and a small organ called spleen to the left of the stomach. The spleen retains the useful part of the red blood cells and sends the send the waste to the liver. Third question is how are urea and uric acid formed? So first of all we will write formation of urea. Urea is a waste produced as a result of the breaking down of amino acids, and then formation of uric acid. Uric acid is produced as a result of the breaking down of the old cells, means cell debris. Now long questions, explain in brief F part. So first question is draw a diagram of a sweat gland, explain how sweat is formed and expelled through the skin. So beta you have to draw the figure 4.1. You have to draw this diagram in your copy. If you want to color it, you can color it, but you have to know how to label it properly. Now we will write how the sweat is formed. So sweat is formed in sweat glands which lie under the top layer of the skin. Waste products and water from the blood flowing through the capillaries in the skin pass through the walls of the capillaries into the sweat glands. The sweat glands have ducts that and in the pores on the skin. Sweat leave the body through these pores. Then beta second question, draw the structure of nephron, explain its role in urine formation. So for that you have to draw figure 4.4. This diagram you have to draw along with the labeling. And for beta its function or role of nephron in urine formation, you have to open page number 50. Points to remember, you have to write point 5 and 6. Each kidney has million of nephron. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each nephron has a cup-shaped structure called the Bowman capsule and a renal tubule. The glomerulus is a network of capillary within the cup-shaped cavity of the Bowman capsule formed from the branch of the renal artery. The glomerulus filter the waste out of the blood received from the renal artery into the Bowman capsule. The purified blood leaves the kidney through the renal vein. The waste product passes into the renal tubule where urine is ultimately formed. So you have to write point to remember point number 5 and 6. Next third question is draw a diagram of urinary system. Explain how urine passes from the kidney to the expelled from the body. So for this you have to draw figure 4.3. You have to draw this diagram along with the labeling. You can color it also. The waste product pass into the renal tubule where urine is ultimately formed. The renal tubule join to form the ureter which transport the urine away from the kidney to the urinary bladder and in the urethra which explain the urine out of the body. Next students, fourth question, name two common disorders of the urinary system. How do they occur? So answer is in the page number 49, or you can write common disorder of the urinary tract system are urinary tract infection, or it is also known as the UTI. UTI usually affect the urinary bladder and spread upward to the kidneys. They are caused by E. coli or the Escherichia coli. It is a type of bacteria which normally lives in the alimentary canal where they enter the urinary system through the urethra and they attach themselves to the wall of the bladder and multiply and cause infection. Second disorder is kidney stone. Kidney stones are a solid deposit inside the urinary tract. They usually develop when the urine contains a high amount of mineral and excess of the uric acid. And the last question is explain briefly how diabetes and high blood pressure affect the urinary system. So diabetes and high blood pressure may cause disorders. First we will discuss diabetes. In diabetes, the level of glucose in the blood is higher than the normal, makes a person prone to urinary infection and can damage the kidneys. And second, high blood pressure or high BP. High blood pressure can damage the capillaries of the glomerulus and interfere with the filtration of the blood. So these are the question answers you have to write neatly in your fair copy along with the diagrams.